Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the Buy button or Add to Cart button and redirect it to an external link on Shopify. This is particularly useful if you want to link to an affiliate product or any other external page. Follow along as I guide you through this straightforward process. To get started, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once there, click on Online Store on the left side, then select Customize. Next, navigate to the top and click on Homepage, select Products, and choose Default Products. Once you're on this page, scroll down to find the Buy Buttons option. Uncheck the box labeled Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons to disable it, and be sure to click Save in the top right corner. Now you'll want to add a new block. Click on Add Block under Product Information and choose Custom Liquid. Click on Custom Liquid, and a box labeled Liquid Code will appear. Check the description of this video for the code you need. Copy the code from there and paste it into the Liquid Code box. Then click Save. After saving, drag the new block above the Buy button. You can customize the text and the URL within the Liquid Code. For example, replace your custom URL with the link you want to direct users to, such as an Amazon affiliate link. You can also change the display text to something like View Details or Check It Out. Once you've made these changes, click Save. Test the updated product button to ensure it redirects as intended. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll respond as soon as I can. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.